Merry Christmas, fam bam. I am in the kitchen and I am stuffing my pork loin. Now it's already seasoned with roasted garlic and herb, but I've chopped up some garlic, some red bell pepper. I'm going to add garlic powder, and this will be going in the oven for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. So yeah, we'll take a look at it when it's done. See ya. Be blessed and Merry Christmas to everyone. All right, that pork loin is looking good. I've kept it in there for a little bit more than the 30 to 40 minutes. It was initially at 375 degrees. I have cut it down to 355, and I will be taking this out shortly. All right, I just cut a piece to make sure it is done. And baby, it's done.